Watch your boy. I sweep the bar, start sweeping. You better line up your tip. You better line up your tip when you come out here. Alright, so I decided to take on the road today again. It's been a while, but I have a few errands to run. Car is in at the car wash, so yeah, I make a little quick run downtown. Yes, I. Alright, so let's see. Sun not so hot today, so let's see how it works out. So passing the old doom structure, still going. Sun still not so hot. But yeah. So, Bridget asked me to check on a car over here, so film. So, go check it out and see what I'm going real quick. So, apparently, 2-car mart on Crick Street, so not that one. So, one down the road, so let's see what I'm going. Also, there's another one across the road over there. Did not realize. Alright, go over the car mart and over this another. So I don't know. But anyways, the journey continues. And I just have to thank the Lord for putting up those big clouds and block out the sun for me. Jaja. Alright, so mama, I got a few followers from the Montego Bay Facebook page. Yeah, I'm telling you, so follow me for more content like this. You know, one of the America, a long time when I don't see a place. Yeah, 14 Barnett Street, prison back wall over there. So, yeah, original Fowler Bridge used in the vicinity. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So, this is approaching St. Clever's Avenue now. Nice fruits and everything, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna tell them try to make the place look, you know. Remember I said crime there everywhere. Jamaica still nice. Yeah. Place I build up on them thing there. See me I say? Yeah man, I make nobody make you afraid to come on the place. Yeah man, Jamaica still nice man. You see me? So forward man. Proper St. Clever's Avenue. You know? Just a chop and go through real fast. You know, yeah. But one of them side there just people are trying to make a dollar. You know? People are sell ground provision, people are sell clothes, or just people are trying to make a living. You know what I mean? Oh yes, I have here fruits and food. But yeah, St. Clever's going on to Church Street. I'm giving a little piece of Church Street. So upon the people, I'm good Church Street, you know. As you can see, big thing I sell same way. People are go about them business, but you know I think. Cool, my general. Yeah. You know I think, I can't step in the street and I see somebody want me now. When last I see them place? Water lane. Yeah. Like a lane here, you know? Yeah. One of them places where I go through, man. Old building, alright, that's one thing. Place I kind of build out and look different, you know them way there? Yeah. But over here is a hot box club. Chap chap. Place still nice, man. I tell you, the place still good. See what I say? Yeah. Place still nice. Don't make nobody tell you nothing about Jamaica, yeah? Here. Make nobody tell you nothing. Place good just to see. Yeah. Them place I used to run through when I used to go Barracks Road and infant school, boy school, the Colonel. Them place, yeah, first place. We used to go behind a building there. But skate. Woman even time me all the pants dirty. I try wash that for me come home as a burial. Yeah. You chop it through this and just drop out back right there. None of them way there. When last time I see them place.